Hi dears, welcome to another new episode from the Blast from Past, the JEE Advanced previous year question discussion. Today we have another chemistry question, organic chemistry, right? Organic chemistry. Oh, JEE latest JEE Advanced exam 2023 exam paper question. Let's go through. In the following reactions, P, Q, R, S are major product. And the question is related to correct statement about P, Q, R, S. There are 4 statements given. Let's go through. First one, you are given with such a molecule. Oh, all are same molecule given. All given are same molecule, right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. It is 1, 2, 3, 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. First one, treated with magnesium dry ether. Treated with magnesium dry ether, all of you know what will happen. It will be MgCl. You get a Grignard reagent, isn't it? Fine. Now that treated with water, Grignard reagent, when interacting with water, you know what will happen? It will be out. And this carbon will capture a proton and you get a hydrocarbon. You get a hydrocarbon, isn't it? You get a 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. What the comment is? So Grignard reagent is highly sensitive to moisture, highly sensitive to any molecule which even feebly donate H+. It will be converted to hydrocarbon. You know that, right? So it is given P is a primary alcohol. P is a primary alcohol and it is a wrong statement. A out. Okay. Second one. First treated with the magnesium dry ether. So once again you are going to get a Grignard reagent. Now CO2 dry ether. CO2 dry ether followed by hydrolysis. You will get a carboxylic acid. Followed by 2 and 3. You will get carboxylic acid. So this will turn carboxylic acid. COOH. It will be like this. Already there is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom. There will be one more carbon coming, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom and there is one more carbon coming. It is ascending reaction. Preparation of carboxylic acid. Preparation of carboxylic acid. And now that is treated with NaOH. That is treated with NaOH. So that is about Q. That is treated with NaOH. So you get sodium salt. You get sodium salt of carboxylic acid. COONA. And this is Q. This is P. Already we have examined. This is Q. What is the comment? Q undergo cold electrolysis to give 8 carbon product. The Q undergo cold electrolysis to get the 8 carbon product. You know this undergoing cold electrolysis, what will happen? This is the R group. What is happening in cold electrolysis? RCOONA. RCOONA. When electrolyzed, it is going to break here. You get RR is the major product hydrocarbon. RR is the major product. CO2, 2 CO2 out. NaOH in the solution and H2O liberated at the cathode. We are learning the mechanism including in the textbook, right? So the product obtained will be RR. Here in the R part, this is R part. So the product will be RR, means the product will be like this, no? Product will be like this. There is a CH2 here and it is RR. It will be like this, isn't it? So is it 8 carbon atom product? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 8 carbon atom product. Exactly, that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Is it a single choice correct or more than one? I think it is single choice. Let us examine the others also. So anyway, B is correct answer. Now third one. Third one, this treated again with the Grignard reagent, again treated with the magnesium, you get a Grignard reagent. And that treated with the CS3CHO and then water, you get alcohol. Grignard reagent treated with aldehyde. Grignard reagent treated with aldehyde. I think all of you know what is going to happen. There will be alcohol produced. A higher aldehyde will give you secondary alcohol. A higher aldehyde will give you secondary alcohol. It is going to break here, plus and minus, and this minus will be interacting over this carbon which polarizes as minus and plus. So the net result will be CH3, CHO minus will turn OH, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. You see that CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. That is what you are getting. That's about, no, R is not yet produced. This is what the second reaction happening. And third one, CrO3, it is oxidation reaction. CrO3, when oxidized, what do you get? CH3, CO. Here there will be oxidation. Secondary alcohol oxidized to ketone. You get CO, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. You get a ketone. What is this is what R, this is what R. What is commented? R has 6 carbon atom and undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Is it containing 6 carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 carbon atom correct, but it does not undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction given by aldehydes without alpha hydrogen. This is a ketone with the alpha hydrogen. So it is a wrong statement. Option C is wrong. Now about the last reaction. This treated with alcoholic NaCN. What will be the result? Chlorine will be replaced by CN, isn't it? Now reduction, hydrogen nickel. CN will give you primary alcohol. CN will give you primary alcohol, CH2NH2. Now chloroform and alkali, that is carbylamine reaction. Carbylamine reaction, isocyanide test. You get isocyanide. You get CH2NC. Isocyanide, a primary amine turn isocyanide. Isocyanide test. Third one. And what is last? Reduction. Reduction of secondary, reduction of NC. Reduction of NC, you will get a secondary amine. You will get a N turn. You will get a N turn NH and C turn CH3. This N will turn NH and this C will turn CS3. And hence you are getting this product. And I think that is the last reaction over. It is yes. What is yes? S is a primary amine. No. S is a secondary amine. As we have got isocyanide here, the reduction product of isocyanide will be secondary amine. So that's over. That's over. So we got the answer option B. Option B. Once again, it is treated with the magnesium. You get a Grignard reagent, CO2, preparation of carboxylic acid, and NaOH, you get sodium salt of carboxylic acid, in which this is the R group. And it is commented, this is compound Q. This is compound Q. It is commented compound Q treated for cold electrolysis. Compound Q treated for cold electrolysis. The product is 8 carbon hydrocarbon. 8 carbon hydrocarbon containing 8 carbon atoms. Perfect answer. Why? Because this is R group which contain carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4. And in cold electrolysis, final product is exactly RR. So 4 carbon RR, it will be 8 carbon hydrocarbon. Right? That comes the correct answer. Only one choice box is the answer. Okay. That's all from the question. We will meet with another question in another video. Okay. Bye. See you. Take care.